make this quick. I got a order and I'm going to be unboxing some of the spring summer 2021 goodies that are in here. Alright, so I had one friend get Bailey the bunny. It's our new buddy. She is really cute and it comes with a scent pack. So it's a little sack filled with pre-fragrance scents, like scent beads in it that you put in there. And the more you use the Scentsy Buddy, the more fragrant it comes. So Bailey the bunny, she's really cute, really, really cute. And my assistant is back here on the floor, me and him. You already know he's crazy. This is the Lavender Love Mini Warmer. I'm excited to see some of these in person because they're really pretty in the catalog. But I just don't know what they look like in person. All this out. Oh, this is cool. No, the shadow is like horrible, but this is the Lavender Love. And it has like some, like you see those detailings of here. It's really cool. I like that. I like it. Alright. This back in here. The next one is called Midnight Floral. I'm really excited to see what that one looks like. So it's like a navy with all these like purples and stuff. Let's see. Ooh, this would be cute on a tabletop base too, y'all. Look at how pretty that is. And like the dish is like a rainbow unicorn. Ooh. I like that. It's really cool. It's really cool looking. Okay. I also have our Whiff Box for this month. So it comes like this. And it's $30. You get $30 worth of goodies in here to include samples. So, change things up. There's always like this fun little like flyer thing activity, and this one's a fortune teller. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Yes. Okay. And as I'm putting on lotion, because y'all know me and dry hands, watermelon tangerine. This is in my Whiff Box. So watermelon tangerine hand cream. The red pear and pomegranate bar. This is our current scent of the month, and it is so good. If you want a sample, let me know. I got you. There's another bar in here. Yes! Magnolia and linen. This one's so good. If you like fresh, clean laundry, that one's good. Also got Luna's Sugar Scrub. And then I got a sample of Pink Strawberry Mint and Oh Snapdragon. Oh Snapdragon is in our current catalog, and I think Pink Strawberry Mint is our March scent of the month. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's exciting. Oh, this is good. If you're like a fan of like sweeter fragrances, pink strawberry mint, oh yeah, that's good. And this also came, I'm still going in the Whiff Box, Sandswept Scent Circle. This is a really good scent too. It's one of our new releases as well. And then a catalog. So I got this, 2 samples, sugar scrub, scent circle, hand cream, and 2 bars in this Whiff Box. That's bomb. That is bomb. Okay, this warmer is really cool. This is our God is Great warmer. We have lots of inspirational warmers added to our catalog. And one of my friends has this, and so she sent me a picture. She lives in Maryland. I'm so excited to see this one in person. Let's see. Put the dish to the side. I don't want to open up the dish. Came in its own box. Ooh. This one's like a blue. Oh, quartz. Okay, there we go. Let's see where it says it. God is great. Here, if I lift it up. Right there. This is really, I think this is like gorgeous on. This is for a customer, so I'm not going to plug it in. It doesn't belong to me, but I'm going to put it back. Gently place it back inside. I'll put the rest of the stuff in just a second. And then another big old box. It's in a box. And I'm like remembering what I ordered. So I'm getting excited. Oh yeah. Come to mama. All the scentsy guts. Okay. Got some scent circles. Inhale, exhale. Hibiscus pineapple is live. This is some scent packs. Another scent pack. Mad for Melon. Be Fabulous scent circles. Oh, a lot of scent circles. Another Mad for Melon, Aloe Vera and Ivy, and Coastal Sunset. So I did a Laundry Love bundle. I'm gonna get to that because there's some wax bars on top. Hibiscus pineapple. So one of my customers did a bundle, hey Amber, where she got 2 mini warmers and 6 bars. So she got 3 hibiscus pineapple and 3 French lavender. Of course she would get French lavender to go with her lavender love warmer. Okay, I also grabbed some Sunkissed Citrus bathroom cleaner because I realized we were out. So, yeah. I also got Fiesta Line Counter Clean. I'll be making samples of this. I'm so excited to use this. So excited. Alright, so I have 2 bundle deals in here. I have the Laundry Love bundle and I have the Moisture Melody. So Moisture Melody comes with a body cream, a body wash, a hand soap, and a hand cream. And you can mix and match, but I got it all in hibiscus pineapple. I'm so excited. I'm almost done with my cozy cardigan one right now, so I am ready to switch it up. So for the Laundry Love bundle, you get this large tub of washer fluids. If you want your clothes to smell good all day, like all day, Like these, I have biker shorts on. I put these on and they've been like in the drawer for like a month and they still smell like they just came out of the dryer. Like so good. So I wanted to try out Palm Beach Breeze. I'm really excited about that. So I did the same fragrance in all of the items. You can mix and match. So I did it in the Wash It With tubs, the laundry liquid, and then the dryer disc, which come 2 in a box. These like replace your dryer sheets. So I did get Palm Beach Breeze, and one of them I did do Windowsill Breeze, because in our fall catalog you couldn't get Windowsill Breeze in dryer disc, and we can now, and so I was really excited about that. We are obsessed with Windowsill Breeze, so I'm excited to see if we're going to be obsessed with Palm Beach Breeze too. So, and we still have enough, but you know, I had to make room on my cart for this baby. I also got a watermelon tangerine sugar scrub. So now I have 2. I have a lot of sugar scrub. I'm gonna be nice and moisturized. And I also have a mini fan diffuser. These are really cool. These plug in. This comes with a USB, so you can plug it in with your computer, in your car, and try not to like ruin the box. Y'all know, struggle opening things. Okay. And so like we have a variety of like colors now. That comes with your USB. And then this one is a gold, rose gold. It's kind of hard to see because my lighting is trash right now. But yes, rose golds. We have gray and mint, I think. I don't remember the colors we have in our car. I think it's gray. So that's really cool. And in the inside, there's a spot like in the middle for the fan for you to put pods. And pods come 2 in a pack, and we have a variety of fragrances with that. This is Iridescent Pearl. It smells so good. So good. So one of these goes in here, and like because it has a fan, it is instant fragrance. Instant fragrance. It's awesome. But I just want to do a quick unboxing of all the goodies I got. Some of them are for myself, some of them are for customers. If you have any questions about the catalog, let me know. I do have a digital catalog if you want to flip through. If you want a hard copy, let me know. I don't mind mailing it to you. I do have to order more because I spilled water on a set. But I do have like a condensed version of the catalog, like hard copies. But I'm really excited about this catalog. There's some really good stuff. I have a list, and I told myself to like chill and buy it a little bit each month because I was about to buy all of it this month, and I was like, you don't got space for it, girl, so you need to chill. So I listened to myself. But I hope you guys are having a great week. Tomorrow's Friday. Praises. It's also Lunar New Year, so if you celebrate Lunar New Year, Happy New Year. But have a great evening. I need to clean all of this up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.